Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to report technical problems to Facebook. Now let's begin. Do note that I'm gonna try to report a technical problem from Messenger. As you can see, I have successfully opened up Messenger in my mobile device. In case you have not, do open up your Messenger. Right here at the top left, there's a button like this. In between the search button and chats, it has some 3 lines to it. Just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of options here like Marketplace, Message Request and others. But what we want to go to right now is simply Settings. Here's the button right here. On the top, just click on it. Right here's the settings page. Simply scroll down till you see something like Report Technical Problems. Click on this button right here. Now this will open up. Do note that you can also shake your mobile device to report your problem. I want to report a problem, so I'm going to click on this Report Anyway button right here. Now it's going to ask whether you would like to include complete logs and diagnostics. Simply hit on Include. A report is being created. Now in this text box, what you need to do is briefly explain what happened. I'm going to enter the problem that I had faced. As you can see, I have entered my problem. You also have the option to record video or simply include other photos by clicking on this camera roll button. Simply select what's the problem related to. My problem is related to calls. Now that everything's okay, simply hit on send. That's how you report technical problems to Facebook. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.